The YAMAHA XTZ 250 is a new version for the 250cc class sport adventure motorcycle for 2023. This motorcycle was first made popular by Yamaha, who gave the 2023 model a fresh new design. Does this update include the functionality and specifications as well as the cosmetic component? Yamaha Lander 250 is another name for this adventure motorcycle made by Yamaha. The motorcycle has spoke wheels, a trail bike-style undertail exhaust, and a dangling front fender. Nevertheless, the Yamaha XTZ series is more geared toward a dual-purpose motorcycle that can be used not only on off-road tracks but also created to feel comfortable on roads. Therefore, the motorcycle has a different design from the Yamaha WR series. It not only has the stylish appearance that is typical of cruiser motorcycles, but it also boasts contemporary features that are comparable to those of motorcycles in its class, including one that has dual-channel ABS brakes. The headlights and brake lights of the XTZ 250 are already LEDs, and they resemble the vintage Yamaha Bison Phi headlamps used in India. The motorbike features a more comfortable seat with a back grip, and the speedometer has a digital LCD as well. With seats that have been made softer and more comfortable, the most recent XTZ 250 is designed to look slick and tough like the Yamaha XT660R while providing comfort like the Yamaha Tenere series. This is seen in the updated visual stripe from 2023 bearing the legendarily famous Yamaha Lander XTZ 250 1996 lettering. Combined with a bigger tank that can hold 13.5 liters and is prepared to be invited on lengthy journeys. In terms of specs, this motorcycle differs from the Yamaha Phaser 250, which has a 250cc one-cylinder SOHC oil cooler engine that can produce a maximum power of 20.9 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute when using ethanol fuel. This motorcycle weighs only 142 kilograms and features a front suspension with a diameter of 41 millimeters. It also sports Metzeler Torrance tires with sizes 80/90ths-21 up front and 120/80 to 18 down back.